Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. My name is Muskan and welcome to our channel Language Fluent. We at Language Fluent teach foreign language for job and migration purposes too. We also have a job oriented courses which has a duration of 2 years. For more information regarding the job oriented courses, you can contact on the numbers given below. Or you can also download our application link in the description box. So let's get into the video now. So today we are going to do different ways to say sayonara or different ways to say bye. So generally we think we don't have any other greeting than sayonara, but we have so many greetings in Japanese as well, right? So as we in English we have so many greetings like see you later, bye, see you tomorrow. So in Japanese as well we have so many greetings, and Japanese people really don't use sayonara. Approx 70 to 80% Japanese people really don't use sayonara because it generally means like bye forever. So of course it doesn't fit in every scenario, right? So we have so many other greetings like for informal way, formal way, for family members we have so many greetings. So let's learn those greetings today and let's stop using sayonara. So our first one today, we'll be starting with informal. So our first one, that is jane. Jane, that means see ya or bye. So you can use this one with your friends, and you should be very careful when you are using these greetings or the informal greetings. You should not use these greetings to the older people, right? Our first one, that was jane, that means see ya or bye. So next one, that is matane or ja matane. Matane, ja matane, that means see you later or well then see you later. So usually ja means then, so you can translate this one, that is well then see you later. So you must have noticed that I've used this one, that is matane, at the end of my videos. So you can also use this one when you want to say bye to your friends. So next one, that is ja mata ashta, that means see you tomorrow. So suppose like you are so sure that you are going to meet that person tomorrow as well, or suppose you can also use this one with your classmates as well, so that okay, we'll meet tomorrow. So there you can say ja mata ashta, or you can simply say mata ashta as well, that means see you tomorrow. So these are some informal ways to say sayonara or bye in Japanese. So let's learn now some formal ways. Now we are going to talk about some formal greetings. So let's see our first one, that is shitsure shimasu. Our first one, that is shitsure shimasu. So that means excuse me. So at the time of going or entering any formal place, so we'll use this one, that is shitsure shimasu. So let's suppose you are late for the class and you want to enter in the class now. So instead of using sayonara, you'll use there shitsure shimasu. So of course sayonara is a bit awkward there, so we can't use sayonara there. So we'll use shitsure shimasu. So at the time of entering and at the time of leaving, we'll use this one, that is shitsure shimasu. So let's talk about the next one, that is otsukare-sama deshita. Next one are this one, otsukare-sama deshita, that means thank you for your hard work. So it also means like you did great job. So before leaving at any workplace, so you can also use this one, that is otsukare-sama deshita, like thank you for your hard work, you did great job today. So use this one when you are at a workplace as well. So let's talk about the next one, that is osaki ni shitsure shimasu. Osaki ni shitsure shimasu, that means excuse me leaving first. So we'll use this one. This one is also formal, so we'll use this one at a workplace. So like suppose your colleagues are working right now, but because of some emergency you have to leave. So it's like for Japanese people, it's a bit awkward when they leave before their seniors. So they always use this one, that is osaki ni shitsureshimasu, like I am so sorry that I am leaving before you and you guys are still working. So there you can use osaki ni shitsureshimasu. So that means excuse me leaving first. So these are some formal greetings. Now let's talk about that what are the greetings for the family members. Now let's talk about some greeting that we can use with our family members. So our first one, that is ittekimasu. That means see you later. So when you are going out for a short time, so you can use this one, that is ittekimasu. So let's break this word. This one, that is itte, so it comes from the verb that means ikimasu, and this one, that is kimasu, it means like to come. So it means like go and come. So you will use this one that when you are going out, so that means go and come, that I'm going and I'll come back. So you will use this one, that is see you later, ittekimasu, see you later. So let's talk about the next one, that is, so in response to ittekimasu, you will use this one, that means, that is itterashai. That means itterashai. That means take care or see you later. So when you will say like ittekimasu, so someone will say like itterashai, like take care or see you later. So someone like from your family member is going out, so you can use there like itterashai, so like take care, right? So you will use this one, that is ittekimasu and itterashai. So that's all for today. Now we have learned so many greetings to say sayonara. So now we have to stop using sayonara. Instead of that, now we have so many greetings. So stop using sayonara now and use so many greetings that we have learned in this video. If you like this video, please click the bell icon to never miss our updates. And please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And I'll meet you in the next video. So for now, matane.